Today we're going to talk about laundry. It's another necessary evil, but we all have to do it. A lot of us do more than once a week. Some, if you have children, you do it almost daily. And so I want to help you, firstly, save time, save money, help the environment, help our clothes. And how are we going to do that? By telling you all about the Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent. This is one of the greatest inventions ever. This is one of the newer items that's been added to the Atomy shopping mall. And the reason being, these sheets are all in one. Not only is there laundry detergent in here, but there's a fabric softener and there's also a brightener. And typically, I never ever use fabric softener because it would give me an instant headache. Well, this, guess what? I could sniff this and have no issues, and the scent is just amazing. And the reason being is that I didn't know this, but there's actually 26 specific scents, even though they're all natural scents, that many people react to, and that's what causes the headaches and skin reactions. So this company knows that those 26 are the worst offending allergens, and therefore they're not included in here. So this particular laundry sheet is an all-in-one. So you've got laundry detergent, which is totally environmentally friendly, and also this is also good for babies. So it's very, very gentle, but powerful in its way of cleaning. So it's a laundry detergent. It's also a fabric softener with those 26 allergens removed. So it's a scents that people do not react to, like peach, and there's certain aldehydes, etc., which are very neutral. And also, it's a fabric brightener, so it'll brighten your colors, it'll keep your darks dark. So it's really, truly an all-in-one. And we have all the different containers, so you don't need that anymore. In one sheet, this one sheet, it comes in like this little bag, and there's 30 sheets. These 30 laundry sheets will last a long time, depending on how many times you do your laundry, but also your loads. This one sheet actually will do a full high efficiency load. So I think it's over like 10 pounds. So let's see, 10 kilograms. And you only need one of these sheets. So it's like 30 t-shirts. If they're very dirty, you might need 1.5. But as you can see, you can actually split these. So if you have a smaller load, you only use half. And so if you've got like 10 or less, 10 to 15, you may only need half. Those of you who are only two, a couple, or you're a single person, well, this one bag of 30 sheets is going to last a long time. And so these are amazing because you just throw it in the washing machine. You don't put it in the dryer. These are not dryer sheets. They're washing machine, laundry detergent, fabric softener, and a brightener all in one. So you can get rid of all of those items, and this will save so much time. What some people have also commented is that people who have some issues with disabilities, etc., this is amazing because they don't have to worry about opening tops, etc. And all they have to do is open this particular little bag and throw in these laundry sheets. So it's also amazing for cold water. So all your laundry can be done in cold water, and these dissolve within seconds in cold water. So they're very, very safe for the environment. And also, these will also protect your fabric, which is interesting. I never knew that laundry detergents will actually damage the fibers of your fabric. These will protect them. And so there's no more mess, no more measuring. And guess what? This one bag of 30 sheets of laundry, the laundry sheets, is only $16 in the Atomy shopping mall. So again, this is one of my favorite items that are under $20 that I use probably 2 or 3 times a week because I do about 3 loads of laundry. I try to do it all in one day. But so this is item number 2 of my 5-day items under $20 that will totally change and revolutionize